John was trying to get quotes and stuff like that. He wasn't sure to do a what the hell? So yeah, you can see. Okay, so here's the... Alright guys, this is a big project that's got done recently. I'm not sure if you watch... Actually, we didn't upload any video, did we, on this? No, there's nothing on this on our YouTube channel. So this project, I was helping my father-in-law here, John, and basically he needed some help. Getting quotes from people, he was going running about here and there. He was struggling a little bit in the beginning. Yeah. Then I helped him out with one guy, but we helped him out with giving him someone that we recommended that.
The project?
Yes, the project. And then, do you want to have a look inside? Yeah. So it's taken about 2 months.
Yeah.
2 months.
Signs of a bad tradesman. Number 1, they take very long to quote you. Number 2, avoid explaining the job. Number 3, want to start the job within days. Number 4, just because you know someone in your family or in your close friend circle. This does not mean you are safe. Actually, quite often you get ripped off. The above can be warning signs for an inexperienced tradesman. If you find yourself with one, good luck on trying to get hold of them to complete the work.
I was trying to get quotes and stuff like that. He wasn't sure to do a what the hell? John wasn't sure to do a 3-meter extension or 6-meter, but we recommended to do a 6-meter because he's got such a large garden. It just makes a lot more sense. So this is the render that he done on the outside of the extension.
Looks lovely.
It's great. I think it's monocuse render. Actually, no, it's cement. And
cement is for
the project is still undergoing. There's a lot of snags here and there, but we're here today. So okay. So yeah, you can see. Take the pan. Let me take the pan. John, do you want to walk through what this, like what you've done in the kitchen and stuff?
So this is a big kitchen.
Yeah, it's about
That's my 2.5 grand. Big extension.
How big and how long is it?
6 meters long.
6 meters long. About 5 meters width. So just go in the thing just to show you the kind of scale of things. So the sink and all that has been put in. The gas cooker is getting properly fitted in on 2 days from this video. Yeah, you can kind of see the size. Look, so skylight windows here. 2 massive ones. Yeah, a little kind of bar island type of thing here. Okay. Why not chicken next door? Oh yeah. So you go in here. Here, okay. Right, so this is the utility room. Still got to do a few bits and bobs here. So there's a nice, there's a washing machine, the boilers in here. You could basically make that a little storage for towels and whatnot. Yeah, this is the original part of the house. And then, the light. Okay, so here's the bathroom, shower room. That was done downstairs. Got a nice rain shower here. Quite nice. By the way, this property is to be let, I think. Yeah, it's a good size. Yeah, a nice little toilet, compact toilet. Chosen to get these two to complement each other. And everything you can see is what you see. So this is just, these are actually really good. This is the part that's actually renovated. So yeah.
So thank you for showing us my dad's renovation.
Yeah, you're welcome. So if you guys are kind of like want to know any advice on doing renovations like this, message us on our jail property channel, or you can actually message us directly through Instagram.
Yeah, thanks guys for watching.
Yeah, thank you. So, yeah, I can stay here for 5 minutes now if you want. So look how amazing this kitchen is. It's a basic kitchen, by the way. It's going to be a rental property, so it's not the person who done it up. It didn't do it for himself, but it's actually still quite decent anyway. Kitchen units are really solid when they were fitting it in. All of them are soft close.